just like listening to a teacher. They pay to sit and listen, take notes. For some reason, this is how people think they're going to school. So, what do we know about the PERT? Let's start there. You tell me something. It's a placement test, okay. If you get a certain number of points, what happens?
Place you in different classes, English or math.
So if you get a low score, is that good? What happens? You have to do more classes, and from what I understand, you can't borrow money for those classes, or certain funds are not available if you're not up to a certain standard. So we want you to be above the standard. Do you have an idea what it stands for? Right, it's an educational readiness test. And what are some of the subjects? How many sections? Anybody? Has anyone taken it yet?
No, not yet.
Ah, great.
3 sections?
Yeah, there's 3 sections. What's on the sections?
Math, reading, and writing.
Math, read, and write. Okay. What kind of math is on there? Anybody know? No? Oh, okay. Like calculus. Do we have any calculus on there?
No.
No. We definitely have algebra. Some of the stuff I've been showing you. Yeah, there's some algebra.
College algebra?
Well, yeah, it's algebra, right. This kind of stuff where you have two equations. You've got a 2x plus y and a 3x plus y, and you just have to figure them out. They like doing that. They love these inequality drawing things. And then they have these things with number lines. For some reason, this seems to be really, really important to them. Like, x squared is bigger than 4, right? And it's going to look something like either between this point and this point, or it's that point and that point. Like 2 arrows, or the stuff in between. I don't know, if you haven't seen these things, it's okay. You can interrupt me, or you can whisper quietly. Steve, I think I'm the only person who doesn't know this. I've never seen this before. That's fine. We can make it your secret. That's fine. This is not an opportunity for me to make you look bad. It's your opportunity to say, this is what I want to learn, right? So I'm telling you what I've seen on the test. I've taken the test. I sat down and took the test when there was a 2-hour limit. How many minutes do you have now to take the test?
Unlimited.
Unlimited, unless you show up at 7 o'clock and it ends at, they close the place at 9. They're going to throw you out, So if you get there early,
Finish early.
yeah, well, you not only finish early, you can sit there for 4 hours if you need to. So I think it's a brilliant test because it's really like we work. I'm a very slow reader. And so I can use that extra time. I buzzed right through all the math because that's something I'm good at. But when it came, they've got this really interesting thing. I'll just tell you something about the reading and writing that I've heard. It's kind of fun. Part 2.